Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, I'll teach you how to fix your account will be disabled within 30 days, or even if your account is already disabled, you can sort out. You have to open any browser. Open google.com. After opening google.com, here you have to type Facebook Help Center. And then here you will see first option. You have to click on Facebook Help Center. Here you have to type account was disabled. Click on search. Here you will see first option. You have to click on it. And then scroll down. Here you will see use this form to request a review. Now this page will open. Make sure you are not logged in on the browser. If you can't see this page, that means you are logged in with any other Facebook account on the browser. You don't have to log in with any account. Then this page will appear. Now first of all, you have to type your account email address, which is given while sign up. Now you have to type your full name, which is mentioned on Facebook. Now you have to provide your real Facebook ID card copy. You have to attach it. Click on choose file. And then you have to click on photo library, or you can take snap. Then you have to click on send. And then here you will see your information has been submitted, and Facebook team will contact you within 24 hours. So it will take 24 hours. So after 24 hours, we'll try to log into our account. We'll provide the email address and we'll click on login tab. Here you can see we are successfully logged into our account, and our Facebook account is now successfully recovered. We'll go to our profile. Here you can see our Facebook account is now successfully recovered. So in the same way, you can also recover your 1 to 30 days disabled account, or even if your account is disabled already. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.